Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default branch in GitHub. To set a default branch in GitHub, for example, switching from main to dev, go to your repository and click Settings. On the General tab, you can immediately see at the top the text that says Default Branch. You can see the option to rename it and switch to another branch. Click the Switch button, and in the Dropbox, you can find all of the branches that are present in your repository. Click onto the other branch, and then press Update. It will then send a confirmation prompt, so just press I understand to confirm it. And just like that, if you check into the code and open the dropdown for the branches, it will show that the new branch is now your new default branch. And that's how to set the default branch in GitHub.